Suzanne traced how the carbon was being exchanged and discovered a massive complex communication system of fungal threads in the soil. Yes, you're hearing me right. Fungal, as in mushrooms. These tasty little mushrooms on the forest floor are just the tip of the iceberg. They have thin roots that can stretch for up to 1 kilometer or more and can graft onto the roots of nearly all types of plants. These fungi are called mycorrhiza, and it turns out they act much like a fiber optic cable, carrying huge amounts of data in a variety of languages and to multiple plants in the forest. You can also think of them as blood vessels and trees as the lungs, or mycorrhiza have even been compared to neurons in our brain. So what does this discovery mean? Why is it so significant? Well, it shows that trees talk. In fact, they communicate in lively conversations. They live as a community and are social creatures. They share resources, but they also share memories. The older trees that Suzanne Simard called mother trees are the hubs of the underground network, and they help other trees learn how to fight off pests, among other adaptive behaviors. For example, if one tree senses a pine beetle burrowing in its bark, it will send out a warning signal to all the other trees in its network to increase their defenses. And then another older tree might send out signals to the younger trees to tell them how to do that. Another example includes how trees agree to grow less branches in certain areas so they can share light and essentially give each other elbow room. One last example is as simple as one tree finding a patch of excess light, but less access to water. So maybe you see a tree like this around you now. This tree will send its excess carbon to more shaded trees and then expect that when its soil dries out, it will get water in return. It isn't doing this just within the same species, nor within a few trees nearby. Trees can send signals up to 1 kilometer away. Tree culture is one where no tree hoards resources. They also ask for what they need when they need it and trust that their community will respond.